For a beginner artist, what would you recommend for best practice? How much hours do you work per week?
Yeah, we're having a good time.
For a beginner artist, what would you recommend for best practice?
Life drawing.
Life drawing?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then memorize it and without reference draw.
Mm-hmm. So draw from reference, then from imagination,
Yeah.
then again.
Then draw some
Mm-hmm.
comic.
Mm.
Comic.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the storytelling, to have something finished
There-
also.
It's okay. There is no storytelling.
Mhm.
Just draw the panels by panels. Then
Do you do drawings where you just relax
actually now.
because you're so busy?
Yeah.
How much hours do you work per week?
For a week?
Mm.
70 hours?
70?
Hour, yeah.
Wow.
No time to.
You work every day 10 hours?
Yeah, no hours to go outside. Actually, I work with my boyfriend, so it's a date.
So the pressure of making webtoon is very high?
Yes, sometimes, but I'm getting used to it, so it's okay now.